does this increase happen on an ARO when you adopt AutoServe One? And there's two pieces that come together to drive up revenue. Number one is your technicians start following a consistent inspection process. Number one, everybody inspects a vehicle the same way. Number two is, now that we've communicated those results clearly to the advisor, it means you've got an accurate estimate and more confident service advisor. When he or she sends that report out to the customer, now the customer sees and believes what's being communicated. Trust is established, and now the conversation happens more confidently and more quickly. So in fact, the customer's happier, service advisor is more confident, more friendly, and you've got a bridge of trust between the two. And once that bridge of trust is there, as we all know, business flows freely. That's how we drive up the average repair orders, on average, about 15%.